guys, we are back. Merry Christmas, and let's do a Frockbox on this fine Christmas Eve. So let me go ahead and take you through what I got in this month's Frockbox. Before we start, I should just comment we're wearing a full Frockbox outfit here with the jeans and the top. Cool, shows I'm wearing the clothes. So let's get into the products. And the first thing they sent is a pair of shoes. These are velvet wrap heels in a size 7. They're the color black and they're $44.95. They are by the brand MIM, which I got another pair of shoes from MIM and I freaking loved them. So let's go ahead and try these on. They look like kind of a nightmare to put on. This might actually take me a second, so okay, so let me tell you, these shoes literally took me like 20 minutes to get on. Pretty sure it's like a one-time setup thing, but this one I didn't even do it correctly. And if you have back pain or issues putting on shoes, leaning over, these ones are gonna be a no-go. They're cute and they fit well. This one might be a little tight, but it might just be the laces being weird. But yeah, these bad boys are not coming off until I'm done this try on, because that was a pain. They're cute, but I definitely don't want to go through that every time I want to wear these shoes. The next item is this black top with this tie-up back, kind of matches the shoe detail. This is a delicate sheer polka dot mesh sleeve top, size large. It's in the color black. It's by the brand West Moon Los Angeles again, and it is 100% polyester, made in the USA, again $44.99. So let me go ahead and throw this guy on. Alright, so to be completely honest, I don't know what the front and what the back is. The tags would lead me to believe that this is the front way, but it's pretty boobalicious this way. So I might try flipping it around to see what the back looks like. Alright, here's the other way around. I don't know, I feel like this must be the back. It's also barely holding on by a thread there. I don't know, I feel like it's pretty cute. I'm pretty sure this is backwards, because that definitely feels better. Okay, I think we got it figured out. Just kind of a regular V-neck, same kind of wrap detail on the front. Again, held together by 3 stitches here. And wrap detail in the back. And the tie is in the back. Now the tags feel like they're in the right spots and everything. But I don't know, I feel like there's an awful lot of tension in this little stitch right here for $44. If you move the wrong way or you reach the wrong way, I feel like it could be a disaster in the front or in the back. So I think this is gonna be a maybe. It is really cute and I had super high hopes for it, but just not too sure about that wrap detail. Alright, and this is the next item. This is by the brand Biscool, not too sure. But it is a gold sweater. It feels very similar to that other one I received, and it looked like pretty much identical colors, same kind of loose weave. This is size large and it's 100% acrylic. The sleeves are just ever so oversized. I don't know, it's cute. I feel like, is this the new white top where we get this color top every month? I don't know. So it's got some cute details though, and it is pretty comfy. It's pretty warm. So this is definitely also a maybe. Again, if I didn't say, it's also $44.95. The next item they sent is this jumpsuit. Again, they really want their ladies in jumpsuits. This one's actually pretty cute. It is by the brand Dex Plus. It's a size large or extra large, and it is navy and red. This is made in Bangladesh, and it's 55% linen and 45% viscose. So let me go ahead and throw this on. Looks like it's a button-up front. Alright, here we go. I'm having a hard time seeing it, but I feel like it's either super flattering on my breasts or a little low cut. It does have very comfortable pockets. I feel like it might be a little bit tight on me, especially in the buttons in the front. And I never know if you're supposed to button or do up the bow on the front or the back. The length is really good and it's pretty comfortable actually. This piece is $72.95 and it does seem to be really well made, although the buttons are very thin. They seem a little sketchy, like they might snap. And actually the stylist said, my stylist being Sasha B, said I should actually try pairing this look with the gold sweater or the black top. So I'm just gonna quickly see what that looks like here. So here's this option. Not really sure I'm feeling it, honestly. I feel like just kind of like a mismatch. So let me try pairing it with this sweater instead. It is a little annoying to get in and out of because you do have to use the buttons. So I can imagine going to the bathroom, especially if you pee a lot, might be a bit of an issue in this jumper. Okay, and I'm definitely feeling this combo a lot more, but it still just feels a little bit like junior high overalls. So I was skinnier back then, so now I'm just like chubby train conductor in a sweater. What do you guys feel? I don't know. I thought I had high hopes for this jumper, but I feel like button-wise, I'm just a slight bit too bulky for it. Alright, and the last item they sent is this dress. This is a crushed velvet dress. It is $59 and it is in the color fuchsia. And it's called the SS Spaghetti Strap Crushed Velvet Swing Dress in extra large. It's by the band She Plus Sky and it's a 1XL. It is 60% cotton and 40% polyester, and it is lined with 100% polyester, and it's made in China. Looks a little bit strappy and fun, but I'm a little bit worried that this silhouette's not going to be the most flattering on me. So let me go ahead and try this guy on. I kind of wish that these were just like pants. Like if they were just pants, it's like very power suit pants. Nice wide leg, but I don't know about the whole jumper. Alright, here is the sling dress. Unfortunately, I think it's just too big with the straps coming down. It comes down like super low. It's really like wide. I don't know if that's supposed to be the fit or what, but it just feels a little bit too big for me. I could probably just do with a large instead of an extra large. And I'm also really not like feeling it. I don't know. It's too bad. It's kind of cute, but I don't really know what I feel about crushed velvet either. It's a lot to look at. I do really like the back. I don't really have an appropriate bra to wear with, but I'm always down for these kind of like sexy back styles. But definitely way too big. Oh, and they did say to pair them with those heels, but I'm not putting those heels back on, you guys. Cannot bring myself to do it. So overall, the box, I don't know, you guys. I think this might be another one where I just send the whole thing back. The shoes, I love the brand. The style's pretty cute, but it's just way too high maintenance to get in on and off. The black top was a good idea, just not the right fit and comfort. The sweater was really cute. It's probably the thing that I would be most tempted to keep. But I feel like I just got a sweater like this. So for $44.95, I don't know, take off the $25 credit and it'd be like half price. The way these clothing subscriptions work is you pay $25 for the styling fee, and that comes off whatever you keep. And then if you keep everything, you get an additional 10% off. So if I'd kept everything, it'd be about $180 with the discount. But I don't know. Do I like this sweater enough to keep it? The jumpsuit's definitely a no at the $72. Just think that's such a hard item to fit, and the convenience of wearing it, I don't know, it just had to be such a lovely jumpsuit. That one was close, but just not quite right. And again, this dress is just a little bit too big, and maybe not the most flattering style for my body shape. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna send the whole thing back again. Kind of disappointing. It's the second one I've sent back without like keeping anything. And actually, I know last time I was complaining or like concerned that I had mailed a box back completely and they never received it, which was troubling because I didn't want to spend like $200 on a box I didn't keep. They never did find the box, but the company was gracious enough to not charge me for anything. So I'm super grateful for that. From now on, I'm going to be very careful about not dropping it in at a post box. I'm going to take it to the post office where they will give me a tracking number and everything, because yeah, it's kind of a risky thing if the company doesn't get it, like what happens. Good customer service. They did not charge me, like I said, for that box. So hopefully this one makes it back to them okay. It did feel very Christmassy, which I liked. Had nice Christmas party vibes. Just didn't work out, unfortunately. There was a note from my stylist. She says she chose the items based off of my Pinterest board, which is interesting because like I did my Pinterest board when I first signed up months and months ago, and I haven't updated it since. I don't even know what I put on there. She tried to keep it unique and vintage with the product they have in stock. Again, she said try pairing the dress with the shoes, the sweater or mesh shirt with the jumper. Feel free to utilize the stylish chat feature so we can communicate better, and you can leave me feedback on this month's box. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a lovely holiday season, and I will see you in my next beauty video. Bye!